Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on AI. Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now, but beyond the hype, what real business problems is AI actually solving today? This is the agenda of today's video. AI is not just about robots, ChatGPT, or any other LLM tool. It is about companies being able to use AI to solve very practical problems, saving millions in cost, improving decisions, and automation of work. I will walk you through 5 real business problems AI is solving today across industries. Let's dive in. The very first problem is data overload. Organizations today collect massive amounts of data. It can include customer data, like their profiles, transactional data, like their banking transactional data, website data, their visits, clicks, operational data, like for manufacturing companies, it would be their real instrumentation data. Most of the companies have more data than they can actually understand, and that is the major problem. Many a times, more than 65% of the data gets unused. To solve such problem of data overload, AI becomes incredibly powerful. AI systems can analyze millions of data points and detect patterns that humans would miss. Now let's look at some examples to understand this in detail. Consider retail companies. They can use AI to analyze purchasing patterns of customers to be able to predict which particular products will a particular customer buy next. That's smart merchandising. Banks can use AI to analyze transactional data to detect unusual activity. That is making the transactions more secure and detecting fraud. Manufacturing companies can analyze machine data to predict equipment failures. That is basically optimizing the uptime of the whole manufacturing company's machines. Instead of drowning in data, companies are now using data into real sites and decisions, all because of AI. Now let's look at the second business problem customers face: customer support cost. Large companies receive millions of customer queries every month. There are questions such as: where is my order? How do I reset my password? What is my refund status? Traditional companies have been hiring large support teams to answer these kinds of questions. But now, AI powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a huge portion of these requests automatically. Let's look at some examples. Airlines. Airlines are using AI chatbots to help customers change bookings. E commerce companies are using AI assistants to help track orders. Banks are using AI to answer account related questions. In most of the cases, AI is able to resolve 60 to 80% of customer queries instantly, not requiring human intervention. That means faster service for customers and massive cost savings for companies. Now let's look at another problem the companies are facing nowadays: predicting demand. If a company produces too much inventory, it loses money. If it produces too little, it loses customers, potential money. So forecasting demand accurately is incredibly important. AI models analyze historical data, seasonal patterns, promotions, and market trends to predict future demand. Now let's look at some examples on how AI can solve this problem. Retailers can use AI to forecast holiday shopping demand. It can tell us, for food delivery partners, when are the orders spiking. For airlines, AI can be used to adjust ticket pricing based on demand predictions. This is not helping companies only optimize the inventory, but also manage pricing and logistics. The result is more optimal operations, less waste, and higher profits. Now let's look at the fourth problem AI is solving: fraud detection. Financial fraud detection costs companies billions of dollars every year. Traditional rule based systems struggle to detect sophisticated fraud patterns, but AI models can analyze millions of these transactions and identify suspicious behavior in real time. For example, if a credit card suddenly makes a purchase in multiple countries within minutes, AI can AI system can flag it instantly. There is something wrong. Banks and fintech companies can use AI to detect credit card fraud, insurance fraud, money laundering, and much more. The key advantage is continuous improvement. AI learns continuously from new data, making it more accurate over time. And the fifth major business problem is repetitive work. Many business processes involve repetitive tasks, such as processing invoices, entering data manually, reviewing documents, approving requests. These tasks consume thousands of hours of employees' time. AI combined with automation technologies can now perform many of these tasks automatically. For example, finance teams use AI to process invoices automatically. HR teams using AI to screen job applications, to identify which jobs should go to the next level. Legal teams can use AI to review large contracts and understand them very well. This allows employees to focus on higher value work instead of manual tasks. Thus, what's very important to understand is that the biggest impact of AI is not replacing humans, it is augmenting decision making and productivity. Organizations that successfully adopt AI are not just using it for experimentation, they are embedding AI into core business processes, from decision making to customer service to operations. AI is becoming a foundational capability for modern organizations. If you are interested in understanding how is AI transforming industries and business functions, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day.